Okay, so super hot today, super hot. Today we're gonna be trying, me and my girlfriend actually, today we're gonna be trying some Brazilian food and snacks, as you can see by the store we are at.
Kiosk Brazil.
Okay, so we're in the store now with our good friend Bruna. And now, so she picked out a couple things like drinks and like snacks and chips. Just like
Some Brazilian made, what is it called basically? Like beef Brazilian made.
It's like street food pretty much.
Brazilian street food.
basically we got like a little bit of everything. So she's about to explain everything real quick before we get into it. So I'll just give it to you.
Alright, so the three food items we have right here. There's the cheese bread. So it's also really popular street food in Brazil. It's literally what it's like named, cheese bread. And then we have right here the chicken coxinha. So this is like the most popular street food in Brazil. It's like a deep fried chicken croquet. So this one is chicken and catupiry cheese, which is a Brazilian soft cheese that everyone loves. And then over here we have the acai bowl, which is kind of known now in the US, but it's just a bowl with, so acai is a berry, it's from the Amazon, and so we blend it with guaraná, which is another berry, which is energizing, so a lot of people use it as like a post-workout meal. But yeah, these three are like street food, so if you go in Brazil, there's like little stands everywhere selling these and a couple of other things. And then here is guaraná, which is the soda
Getting tired from talking.
of that berry. And then, let me show
the cashew nuts. Yeah.
Okay, so cashew fruit juice. So it's the fruit from the cashew nut. It kind of has a custardy taste. It's one of the popular, like, favorite drinks in Brazil, either that or passion fruit. But I wanted them to try this since it's a little different. What else? This is a Brazilian chip. It's made with corn, which a lot of Brazilian chips are. This one specifically is a cheese flavored one. It's really popular in Brazil, these kind of chips. I can't really compare it to anything from here.
Like corn chips, or is that what you
They're
said?
made with, yeah, okay, but they're made with corn. Like, I can't really compare it to anything
But
from
are
here.
those like the
just have to
chips?
try it.
Like, you know how y'all's Brazilian chips are like poofy?
No,
Kind of?
You mean beef?
You mean like the yuca ones?
But those aren't poofy.
No, they're not like that. It's a little different, but it's like kind of the same consistency. So this is a chocolate bonbon. It has a cashew like filling, and it's just milk chocolate. These are very popular in Brazil. Then we have paçoquinha, which is like a peanut brittle, but the consistency is kind of like powdery. I don't know how to explain
I know what you're talking about. I can feel like
Yeah, like when you bite into it, it's gonna like crumble.
Is it like a,
It's
like you know that
basically
Mexican
like,
candy?
yeah,
What's it called?
kind of sort of like that.
Like rosa, la rosa. It's like
Yeah.
It's powder.
Yes, it's similar
like
to that. It's just, in my opinion, that one's like, it's either not as sweet, like, cause rose.
I think it's pretty sweet. Yeah.
Okay, so this one's not as sweet. There's something like different about them. This right here is what we call bananinha. It's like a, it's like a banana fruit bar with sugar. A lot of Brazilians like this. It's a little bit of a different kind of like treat. I don't know. This is a famous chocolate bar in Brazil, Choquito, which has caramel and it's kind of crunchy. But and then is this the last one? Oh no,
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. And the gum.
Okay, so this is babalu. I mean, I feel like other countries have this, so, but yeah, it has a little like filling, so it's just gum. And then bees. This one's the white one. It's just like a wafer with chocolate, but it's really good, and you're probably gonna eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
They're individually wrapped, but you'll eat the whole thing, honestly.
You're individually wrapped?
Yeah, there's like 30 or 20 of them.
Like that's how they do like.
Yeah. So you
So
can
it's
go
kind of
on.
like a Kit Kat, no?
Kind of.
Sort of,
But
but
it's
it's just like a wafer.
Yeah,
It's better. Okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
That's about it.
Welcome.
So she
Y'all
already
can y'all go in.
Yeah,
Thank you,
now it's just time
appreciate
to try every single one of these.
Okay.
So which one do you want to try
I was
first? Which one do you want to try first?
The chips.
Try the chips real quick.
Or let's open up a drink too.
I'm making a mess.
Which? You see?
Here. I'm just hungry.
What do you think? Let me open
Gotta
one
have
of
another
these.
look how these are. They're just kind of like a cap.
I'm gonna open the cashew first. What? Should I mix it up? I should have mixed it up.
I don't know.
Hold on.
These are pretty alright.
First thing I can say about this is it kind of smells weird. I think. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It tastes good. It just has a weird, like a distinct
Allergies go.
smell.
You're good. I can eat those.
Look, try it. But it's pretty good.
And then we got the drink.
These are good. Now can you taste them? With like hot sauce.
With hot sauce. You think you can just put hot sauce on anything and it'll be good?
Yeah.
Nah, but this
That's
drink
pretty
is
good,
good
right?
too though. Yeah, this drink is good.
It's like hummus kind of.
Okay. You can take the wrapper off.
Okay, what next? This?
Yeah, we can do this chocolate lit.
What's it called?
I think
Choquito?
choquito.
Choquito.
Get your hat. Oh, bro, this smells good. I love chocolate, bro.
I like this. I like the consistency of this chocolate because it's like chewy,
This is
right?
good, bro.
It's like a chewy consistency. I like it.
I like the good one. The bananada cremosa.
Bananada cremosa.
And then I'm gonna try this one next.
Look, I'm like this.
Ew, ugly. Here, look, this has like some little type of powder.
Oh, that looks good.
Here.
Okay.
Is it hard?
Oh, this is weird. It's
This is like a brownie.
This is like marshmallowy feeling.
It has some type of filling inside.
It's not brownie. It's filled with some kind of fruit. It's not. What kind of fruit is that?
Banana.
But it doesn't.
It does.
This is like banana and something else, right?
No, it tastes straight like banana.
It's banana and some other fruit, right?
It's just straight banana. I can taste it. This is good.
You know what this reminds me of?
Yeah, I don't do that here. 1,
Those
2,
Mexican
3, 4,
candies?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
This reminds me of those Mexican candies that have a powder on it. That's like it's like loose candy like this. Do you know what I mean? Like they make it in Mexico. Okay,
I
they're like
wouldn't know.
this. Oh,
No, I mean, we got 12 items. The first, 1, 2, 3. They're all good. I like them all. I like them.
They're pretty good. The chips
This
I'm
one's
kind of
really
iffy on, but other than that, yeah.
Try this. What is this called? Sonho de Baus. How do you pronounce
It's
this?
so weird.
What'd you just say?
Sueño de valsa.
Like that? I can't even remember that, but look. you just tried to
Sueño
talk-
de valsa.
Sueño de Balsa.
That's like dream. Sueño.
It literally translates like a dream of a waltz. Like that's it has people dancing.
It has
Oh, it
people
really
dancing.
does. Yeah, look.
Like in the picture,
Oh,
like it doesn't make you
I'm like people eat it and want to dance. Okay, let's see. Sueño de valsa. Ooh, this reminds me of this like something I've tried before, but like good. What do you think? You don't like it?
I like it. It's good. This is good. Yeah, this is good.
I used to steal these
What?
from her house all the time. I just remembered.
I like these.
Because, Bruna, these are the ones you used to have in a jar, right? At your house. I would just take like so many,
These are good.
and I would eat them the whole way. These are great. These are so good.
Choose the next one.
Are you finishing them or just like?
I'm gonna throw it away. Choose the next one. Why you? I said choose the next one.
This one.
Open it.
I'm eating. Hold on. Do you want to open up that drink to know what it tastes like? Oh, these are small. I was expecting like a longish.
I think I've actually had these before. The milk chocolate ones, I think. I can't remember.
What is this called? Bis?
These.
Watch it be like say something that's not even what it is.
This looks good. Like a little Kit Kat wafer.
What do you think? Better than a Kit Kat or like a Kit Kat?
This is perfect because it's like white chocolate. So like, and I can also taste like a little bit like a little bit of hint of coffee in it too.
Coffee?
A little bit, I think. I mean, but it tastes good though.
And also, I just opened the
Guavana.
Isn't that an R?
Guavana. No.
That's a V? The guavana.
I think don't correct me on that, but I think.
Okay. I just opened the guavana.
Is that how you say it? Is that what it is?
Guavana. You see, I told you it was an R.
I thought
He said it was a V. So the guarana. I just opened the guarana drink and let me try.
This right here, this is good also.
Oh, I like this.
Every single one's I've tried is so good, bro. I like this drink too also.
These are pretty good. I feel like these are kind of, oh, you threw it away?
What?
Like the pink one? I feel like these
Yeah.
are kind of like the same thing. This is good. I like that. I can't really You
describe
like
the
this
flavor
one more
though.
than that one?
Alright, gonna lay off the snacks for a bit.
Which
I think
drink
we got.
do you like more?
I like that one. But this is the like last two like little snacks as you would call it. Or like this is like kind of like gum with filling in it. But it's inside the cheese bread.
Alright.
Go ahead.
I like to put hot sauce on mine.
On the cheese bread.
Yeah. Yeah, I need hot sauce. I feel
Do
like
you
it
eat
gives
this
more
with
flavor.
anything? You don't eat these with anything?
Oh, hot
The
sauce is not
and,
the
Bianca puts peanut butter on those.
hot sauce is not the move for them.
But you tasted it?
I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It's just not the move.
I like this.
It's
This
good.
is like regular cheese bread, but like with a little bit of different flavor.
I think I was
though.
getting it mixed up with the way I eat this one. Pretty good.
This is good. I like this. Let me go with that.
This is the cochino. Cochina. 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 That is so funny. Okay.
I'm getting a little bit full, but. What?
So the next one is the cochina.
Don't even say it. Just show
Okay.
them that we're about to try it.
So the next one is this one, and I love this one. This one's really good. It's filled with chicken, I think she said.
Yeah, it's filled with chicken, so how are we gonna split this? You just want to take a bite out of it?
Yeah, just take a bite. You take it first because I want to do hot sauce.
Okay, now I want to do ketchup on mine.
Wait, so then let me do it first. Ketchup is messier.
I'm just gonna bite it. I'm just gonna put it up top.
Ew.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
Yikes. That means you're gonna get, I guess.
He likes to eat his with ketchup. I like to eat mine with hot sauce. It's good. I love this one. This one's really good.
Well, so there's chicken in there.
I know, but just like the whole like breadish around it is really good. Oh, that's cute.
Alright, first off, come around real quick and come explain this too. What did you just get a pie?
You didn't get the chicken part. You just got that part.
It's good, regardless.
Okay. Well,
You want to come get love real
here.
quick?
that
Yeah.
it's called empada. This one is hearts of palm, which is the core of the palm tree. It's a vegetable, so like vegetarians can eat this, but it's pretty good.
Picking up some lessons.
Is it sweet or
No,
how is it?
it's savory,
this,
like
bro.
salty.
I'm
It's
about
not
to
sweet.
finish this.
Okay.
It's a little different, but I like it. It's pretty good.
So you had a what? There's a chicken one and a hearts of palm?
Yeah, so there's chicken, but like
Chicken pie?
just chicken. Yeah, and that's hearts of palm.
I'm excited. Wait, don't finish it.
Oh, so y'all like to.
This man's going
I like
in.
that.
It's like a, everyone
Yeah.
calls it like a big chicken nugget.
I love these. These are my
Exactly what it is.
favorite.
Okay, now you're about to finish it.
Try it with hot sauce. It's pretty good.
Yeah, not trying to get too messy here.
That one's so good. I love that. The way the chicken is made in here, it's like marinated in something and it tastes so good. It tastes good with the hot sauce, right?
There you go. There's a lot of stuff, bro. Oh god.
We have 4 items left.
Okay, I'm probably not gonna try these because it's just like gum with filling in it. I'm gonna just save this for later. I do want to try this though. We're gonna do this in pie. Did you already see it? Yeah, this is the one we're gonna be doing.
That one's the powdered.
How are you still eating that?
Because I want to finish it.
It smells just like a Reese's.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold on, I need to.
Look, somehow this, like some of it, it tastes kind of like a. Alright, back it up.
I'm just trying to get a good glimpse.
Nobody wants to.
Yeah.
It smells just. I mean, it tastes like the Reese's.
It's
kind
no.
of too.
It tastes like
peanut butter.
that
I mean, it's
other
probably
thing.
just because it's peanut butter in it, but I don't know. It's
But
good
yeah,
too.
it's pretty good.
I like all these items. I'm getting just a bit.
Full?
A bit full, just a bit.
Yeah.
Now we'll go for this pie.
Go for it. Go.
Here's
I'm kind of scared for this one.
this?
This one's different.
that was warm.
What do you think? These both have like a different taste to it. I can't describe it.
This is different. This is a different taste.
Do you like it?
This is different. This is different.
But do you like it? Yeah?
I like it. Yeah, I say it's pretty still valid. I can eat this. What do you have left?
I
The
wasn't.
bowl?
I wasn't.
I wasn't expecting that taste either, right?
No, the feeling. I wasn't
Feeling.
expecting the feeling of it in your mouth.
The feeling
It feels
either.
like mashed potatoes.
I was just expecting that taste. Though.
But yeah, I wasn't expecting it, but it's pretty good.
No, is that the last one? And then we got the bowl last.
Hold on, let me get it. It's okay, I'll use my fork.
Ew, no. Just get you like another spoon. I don't like that. I don't like when she does that. That's just me, I think. But look, bruh. This thing looks so good, bruh. This is like my favorite thing. I've actually tried this before. This is my favorite. Can you hurry up, kid?
Okay, maybe you should come this way a little more. I'm taking your spotlight.
Yeah, okay.
Just kidding. These, we already know it's bomb. This is so delicious.
Don't make a mess. It kind of melted a little bit. I think. So good though.
Did she say how? Did you say how it had banana and strawberry and all that? I was zoned out.
This is good. I need like a whole big tub of this just to go in the fridge.
10 out of 10.
I mean, we had like what I said, like 12 items, maybe 13, including this 5. I like them all. They're all good.
But which one's your favorite? No, but like, okay, this one's the obvious favorite. Which one's your other favorite?
I like the chicken.
Yeah, me
I like
too.
I forgot what it's called.
Over the candy?
Yeah, I mean, it's food. It's just like a snack. I like
Which
this.
one's your least favorite?
Probably this one.
Really?
Yeah. But I still liked it though.
You're offending the Brazilian.
She looked at me, she was like, what?
This girl was like, huh? From way
It's
over
just because it had
there.
like a different flavor, not something like I usually
Yeah,
expect.
it's not bad. It was just
I
unexpected.
still liked it though.
I liked the chicken one the same, and my least favorite was the chips. I just can't. This isn't
What?
my.
They're just like chips.
But this isn't my
It's
go-to.
just like some cheese chips.
I'm like picky with my
It's not gonna
chips.
be your go-to chip. It's like
They have to be
just
spicy
chips.
and limey.
Yeah, of course,
kidding.
every single thing.
No, I don't know. They have a weird taste to it. I don't really like them that much. They're not bad. I can eat them. I just wouldn't.
Came in. Tried a lot of stuff. I liked it. It was all good. So, what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? Then we're just gonna clean all this up and get out of here because like
We made a mess. They're closing.
she made a mess and like they're already closing. So we just gotta go and I'll do the outro
He made a
outside.
mess.
But anyways, thank you to my good friend Bruna for letting us come in the store and try all these things. Yeah, thank you to her for letting us do this. And while she was about to close too, so thank you. And just explain everything. Just explain your store and stuff.
Well, it was good having y'all here, so I'm glad y'all liked all the stuff we tried. We're actually the only Brazilian store in like the South, so like Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma. So if y'all are in the area and y'all want some Brazilian goodies, come check us out.
Ooh.